entina ebi kire mu se ehonye ne mpeswa so na okope de be ohono ebi se HS o ebo no eye pepper spray na ode call ye no ene se ye boys na bufo emumubo no na finally Hawa Koomson nankasa abekire nsem eye Ablekuma North by election call na zamafo ya so se Hawa Koomson no ono ankasa abedwane nsem de eto no ade happen e ohono na pepper spray no call ode call ye no ode call ye dey Hawa Koomson nankasa abekire nsem na in this video mo hwenes ma all kind no wa kire wa adwen amame ewo comment section ayi Penyah block media best was any day mo be like video no and mo subscribe button na be kere keep notification confrontation update na be kire wa adwen dia mama ewo comment section best was obasoa no wa shebiro for enya bi ahye eje you know dey see last week Friday aya 11 July 2025 ye call Ablekuma North by election initially ka 3 centers e be to aba na but at the end of the day e be 19 police station na le to aba ewo ho no Emma ye the drum nyina ko pie mu e was St. Peter's police station Methodist church no e ho na the drum nyina ko pie na e ho no ana Hawa Koomson e ko gi na mi so
Why are they doing that?
The number for them say about Hawa Koomson here before say this incident ever happen. Hawa Koomson move free different police station. Na ofu airban. This was a video o make here.
Alright, what's your thoughts around the process so far? Alright, what's your thoughts around the process so far?
I mean, the other places have been very peaceful. I don't know why here they want to do intimidation. The people are ready to come and vote for a PFA. You are intimidating them. You are sharing money and still intimidating. What's your problem?
We saw somebody shout at you to leave the polling station. Is that why you are referring to as intimidation?
The polling station belongs to him.
To leave the force station.
Why are they also here? Why are they also here?
So clearly they are trying to intimidate your camp.
And we cannot be intimidated. We are not ready. We will not allow them to.
Have you reported to the police?
The police is there. We've reported to them. We've told them. They have seen all that is going on. They think because they are in power. Yes, we are ready. We are in opposition. We are ready to face them.
Interesting.
A try be much less there be a video na Hawa Koomson make here. Ana class enya led send Oba St. Peter's. It did the Oba no ka send Oba on mo a obi ya be masem nkyere no say obekye human power e wo ho ebe ya say a video we energy the me ya sort Hawa Koomson ebe ya kyerem say there be a pepper spray no why she go there with pepper spray why
say also spray pepper spray and obi ehunu kwan e ko obi ani mebu
yes a prophet na at that time mo
pepper spray bia make no wo spray pepper spray asini pepper spray na edugu ani asofo wo hunu kwan enti ebi abrante no boye se no obu ahwe no okohwe ma me so a se me pepper spray honest abrante ni spray
Pastor David
honest spray
Pastor honorable Hawa Koomson
and o spray gu wan so
Pastor abrante ni police for na
and o spray gu am so na se spray gu so a ade ani ana to
woni subiri
woni nyina wo hunu hwe
Pastor prophet
enti wo obi spray pepper spray gu ni so wo hunu wo sa to no ho da enti ebi a eye sa ne ade no wo piem wo bi and okoto mama ne so because mama ne space wo hunu ba bia did you understand
yes sir
so for them be mo kasa me ne mo nya adwe because na mo ni ho
e pa cho pe video no wada roma
fa video no ma me hwe
it wodi for one na e free akire e ba ye be pem na o mama ne performance na o munya na bona enya asempoto
mama ne space a what's a shower
ya beto aba ne oba besia pepper spray e show back
then mama ne yesa
what the cry there election ayo
why mama ne do that obi ne piano me ne mo nya adwe obi ne piano so bo dia hwe video dia mo hwe video ni bo dia mo hwe video ni wan shada mama ne na shade this mama de wo head and old spray but abrante no hwe on se onyo ni
pacha
no ni ebi konani obi ti anachi but am pense munu mate mo ya mepa mo afi am pense ade no mo nsa mo yimi ama We are me pam mafia me pesa. Me so me free and mafa program. See some me tear the make an you. We me free and mafa program. And na kwa me se me ba. Me pesa. Because Oblantian Musanye bi.
The why she go there with the pepper spray as a lady like you? Why you go there with pepper spray? Emma Pam go because oh, I will spray pepper spray no in that atmosphere. Now why you con and why you charge? Atmosphere not charge 80 kilo. No, who will be an open man and go ahead Hawa Koomson. Hey, Tony Benny. How does it just say? Now Hawa Koomson, Emma Cassan, no, will be a candidate. At the end of the day, Hawa Koomson Echo Hospital. I'm at the check out, but me was stand with fee. I said, Hawa Koomson, I was a little like Hawa Koomson. The state means me and a pie be out on radio. Now, Hawa Koomson, everybody was saying, or don't answer or Becassa. Calcum, Yaduko Kuonu. Over the Mocas and Hawa Koomson crown or Pede or Hormone, while you play woman. Almost a more dim come from a perspective or the perspective of quiet there. While you play when Hawa Koomson trains on I retort, it will miss him or some mind is for Yammy or Nisemina, Eminem.
Trisa, after this incident, you know, maybe no more say, a one crowd quiet no crano, anka, ni mu anka, and says a walk. A binum so can say, I then won't go and I say, or more, I didn't want you to bounce. And I say, there is something out there. Just say, when you're threat, baby, you are threat to. Sa basabase betu basabase aba baby a okubia sa na ebinu muka wo muka sa no wote a wote nkasan wo sa na wote e
Jacob na they don't know who I am when me say when you send me akete sabi me nje nsamfo but me nya bodanfo me mboda me a me ti na baby a me kontokwa bibi abante no ka na asem wo se abanda wo na wo mba me count. Let me see he's contradicting himself. So I say, I never knew them yet threat to NDC until now. Why should they say so? Why should I go there? And I'm a party member and they're contesting. Or your bar, she was my colleague in parliament. We are friends. I was in Kwati when she called me. So I remember I'm and I couldn't say no. Ejano pano kwa na mene general secretary na me wokumase na me ka se general say ni no say ya dey say ya ko be so ko ja me bia say wunu ya ba na me semate eti man ko wose me ko kontokwa na the other polling centers na me ko ade na man kontokwa ade na man kontokwa wo because Mustafa Bandi ebe to no Kalik center we ti no Kalik big center obe to me wo me see ya me ko juni center police for NDC for gunte me tia NDC for na me right inside me call two agents me tia will be na me pie na me samba but I think say me call ya adwuma na me ya no na how because I went to ginger my people to go in and call the people out so mo think say me pussy me ma me call for na call ya adwuma to canvass for votes no. I mean, there was so many.
Omoko canvass for vote. So omoko inside the home friend conform to abanasele.
They should go home and bring the, voters out.
Omoko friend conform to aba.
Yes, so omoko from no mo to aba. Me do baby paro so mo fu I had to give out money mo go to fu and then go can me na NDC for it na wash. So every another thing he says if they allow me to go all over. So I think I became a threat to them. Was meant to say
anyway, yeah, the best year, Minusa Diasa, and also, Mammy.
We started politics in Yendi. We were Parliament 2012, 2013. And no Kwana many bear man a contest. I didn't know the Kofian 2016, many bear man a contest. What a man kada. These are the questions I expect. It's a more journalist who be pisa. NDC for say. I yet then me young or bad or no over. Not answering winning are easy. What they are saying?
Okay.
Me never travel to the job with Jacobna. Better make cano, may engage some fool, but remember me come. Who come here, you know have it. Or more me basic kind. What you mean can Wukuma? A Jacobna. yet say me bano ya want to see kind and will come hano. Anna me bano battle for his life. Na a yami, I was out of the country. Man Casada would be anti-menu myself. 2024 and Pasadi or Muya or Kaswa. Now, Mr. Medicine and look at a maybe I'm not a lawyer. My lawyer is working on this almost in a cool. And up to date for 6 months in office. Won't remember me and can't tell me say Nipana make Makunu say I'm waiting for almost family court because my team I am who member Casa Yashi the assassin a no crack. He says I bank to our cafe and I mean I'm say my what I'm in Tinango one of my started this week. I want one cafe and one cafe about the Hawa Shama Krama and the cow. Made a minute ya ahoma hye me hunu me atwi me fit ho bank na etimi nyina ho mo bi mbra do kumi kwa me won kwala miensa me won ananom miensa me mo bi nkumi wo na yiso enti ka kire na ebia wo ni yire wo ni nia ba wo ni maame enti wo koso ano
all right
Thomas emi ni abe ma na brante no to wo mo emi se wo ni maame wo fi ena wo ni nia ba Ninji this or yiri. Was a same with our walk. Senya misro when you mua. Your canon kawonka. Or ba when you fear. Ya walk canon kawonka. The Jacobna video more traces here, maybe with TV. Who will say me need a cool new man. Any somewhere brown for having anything now. Yet, anything now I eat in cool. Yem ben baby abalot usha ebe abasu me sache bi potogo na mjina ho ya mete ya ne say cars bi aba gate na me room yes I went there with my security police but I didn't enter there with them because police said omomo will be any mechunko so my guys were outside obi amba inside and I'm ankwasa me kokunto kwa Omure muno mobile no me identify one guy. In fact, 2 guys so mufika so mo NDC4. And outside, you know, Hawa Koomson no one. And so when they came in, they just pounced on me. It is all root in our category say, I think you will meet him and I make pepper spray echowa. Yes, say or walk out now who so at a polling center, yeah, registration. The Baba man can would be antokwa. Omo de sika won so mo kun me baba ma omo de sika won me baba ma ho kun it means say NDC for me a threat to them they be me could be a threat they tell say me kwa me ho and it's a self defense ono to one so na mo no defending in one it's up to him for me Hawa Koomson man ka obi antokwa na so mo di agwa e di abo bebem because that me call ye me ko kan obi ntokwa and Kabaya, the Kanyamia. Now will be a head video now. Banka will be under me Dakua Newman and a Combo. And the police will attest to this fact. Me go me no be Uncle Puntoka. Man, baby about people, no power, Marco be about box. Yet, a sorry dining, the worship baby, Nani such a bottom and mini and near Bonko. So in 7 and 8, you are any more crown. I didn't even know. Say Beba inside the wall until I heard they said they mentioned my name. Say Hawa Koomson, not a key. Me a penny, me hausa, me to the going to Hawa Koomson, not a key. Then Babu started a gata for key, and they all bounced in. Omupia police for no mobile. And they targeted me.
Okay.
I was still all to 1 hour, and I'm a cockant of one son and for and I need to be speaking.
Me pacho train mami kakra wa na yehwe ebra mrantie no eba ho no ye uhwe video no a on say police for no yomo fam de bia nka on be prevent wo mo enti bra wo hu wo mo saa no wo hu sa wunti na omo ba ai no ntema me hu so wo ko wachi a wo yi bibi obuto mu a wo mi aso sa na mi aso na eden ya
na police for no prevent wo sa abontin wo kemu and they say in Hawa Koomson na taki and about kujina car so no sigata say it and the police for no prevent wo no Now I say almost room. So I thought that the police could have prevented them. And to me, they're not my hair relaxed and anything now. Man coming home because when you say police phone in tea, or want to mean the yeshi. And I'm now. Now, what you identify, you know, back home, a brother saying, Caswa parent MP, now call you Kunu, and it's small boy, yeah, they came on me. I identified them, I know all of them.
Yes, it is.
I know, yeah, no, all by me, so no, with us a kind. No, see, mean free home, mean free baby, and Mitinano. And I'm saying, mean free was there. So coming on me with the knife, now I have to defend myself.
I will move your him at this kind of bow. So
I have to defend myself. Maybe no one told you because I'm not a coward. And then you send me a threat to the NDC.
At the end of the defender,
You could have a spray.
okay.
I have the right to defend myself.
Okay. Obi so.
I'll never hide it.
Ebi no because say I say adwene of the call hono kire say e bia bibi betumi asi enti na de call ye na wonu say bibi sa betumi asi enti na de call ye
Jacob na de bia me nan bia me protect me.
Okay.
Me come market to come me protect me. In fact, me will be fear come me protect me because anything can happen. I'm a politician and I know say me NPC target. Because someone targeted me and come be say Hawa Koomson no one.
I didn't know target you.
I didn't go there with any intention. That I was protecting myself. Even me quite in as when I was coming from Kumasi. Now me fifi. Me few Kumasi and Opana and drive it to that place. And the baby I mean I have my protection. Because one train said the BBC and son away then can you ya. Me baba mano and go protecting no one and Kasika and Kwama found one side of Pano. Nyame kwa na Jimmy Bano and Kwamame 1 year 1 month in and they have come after me again.
I didn't know say one end. I didn't know one particular and I want a target you. I didn't know.
This are branch and not one. This are the same. I didn't know that one you might know. Or no, the one your moshi. That mean I made no movie. Because I never knew send me a threat to NDC.
Nana, what? I will be baby say that one you imagine ho. Woman can as woman kashi. I'm so call initially the Koreano. Me say na one Mustafa Bandi no mudi nkomo ne nasefo. Obia anya bibia. Enti aba ni say all of a sudden near my science ah.
Polling center na Mako. That was the 6th polling center na Mako. The last but one and the Korean me Mustafa Bandi kusia. Oba ni na grant interview na ATC. No, go to police for them. So, the police for no one for private. Any of this, me sanda tone work. You met this work. No, sir, grant interview. No, ne Samia will do any miracles. Now, me be down.
Hello.
Some police for the time about one me dey. E go for kwa ni ra ho kwa. O me catch many police for no. If I need room, na police for no so mo man in room. Because me boys in the room. Na me so sir. And then my boys in Ninaho. Now, I couldn't make car was a cocobi. Now, me knew Mutina only did come 1 year straight. And almost say, Madame Kum, I ever protect you. I'm saying, oh, my man go be a limit, almost say, baby. And I never cool. Let me get Madame for a money, Mamma, and your money, let me join in our hostel. And I'm quoting that quite because now she was alone there. So we quoting on home. Now, I'm in the airborne command. Sana, Brian, not the point, not that one need Brian, you know. Na me ko ka wo na me ni o ko tina bebi ana ye tina na ye bon ko enti anya se ntokwa bi na asi omo ba ye no sika na na nipa na dey pa me so no na I needed to protect myself and they mention my name what video na bo video ni kiro bi o ka wo ze bia abrante no to na wo se ni di ya Abdullah Zakari or something o ye pepe ni o te I was on go radio tape no ntie o mo tina pick up no no mo bi say Hawa Koomson na take on chiro wase wo wo na sani amikina we Jacob na obi ama mayesa me kuntokwa na me sai temi botom me mikina wo amikina obi ama kuntokwa mikina wo na me hwe ne ekọ I didn't know said they were coming after me until omo be me a omo bo me pie free wo na guy ne dey sikan it I know that guy is from Kaswa.
Okay, the video no but me trend na na okura sikan no say you who pictures no wo mu wan na okura sikan no
Bacho me who ha. But now or share jacket or a short guy or share jacket among them one another. The video no deny I be anka make me yeah, it deny anka or no kind about 2-3 of them. I mean one of police for no. What they from the gate, you know, police for those a short guy the extra jacket on a tag so. One or behind will be share a year for the same element, you know. That area, that person is there. It's a home no move to yan who so could that's the kind. One was a lady bishop pinky in a metro.
Yeah.
Baby pinky or a security officer. You know, police phone you look at in a net. You know, many ladies, any now won't come on. Meet that like we were just cracking. That's the lady there. That means you come over and I'm a damn and I'm in that. So that lady was there. That was so now, Madame, why not catch him so a security officer? Let me say, and I'm a mutual student statistics about your combo. So that guy is there. What's your jacket? Video be or home what clear. What's the jacket on that? He's from Kaswa.
What can be said? The incumbent MP no Nikunu Eba Hobi.
Yes.
And so Kawamu na etraba so.
Neka muna guy na or yes Spider-Man. Neka muna guy ni.
The O2 fan ba also no.
Spider-Man.
The two ba also no no.
Spider-Man ni the man who ni bet me who say na o CFP incumbent ni kunu ka no.
Into that okay, let's say incumbent ni kunu on
afewa who guy no ono na o jo short guy na make am. Wa o say video na gina. Ni a wo bia so ni mu no I say pink one atadi. I say jacket wo pink no so. Ne click pass here white no. Yeah. Ono
ono na dey cross candidate ba also no.
Ono na no kuta second yes.
It is not
from Kaswa.
Okay.
Or your incumbent in you know small boy.
Okay.
I know him very well.
I see. Now Abra Orban when you say Abrante bi shecha I say wo pia na mana kwachi sa Abrante no no ye hwan ya.
I don't know that person.
Okay. Okay. And say what report so ama police for say bi say ba I say ama police for who say na eko what report to be sir
me share my phone the police am a police then me found call hospital me call the private hospital so almost me found call a public hospital so me dey call mama me report na me dey call no ma call me statement na me jama nyame God of vengeance na me dey be man because me abant any to our kana me kan so wo yiri wo mami wo nua ba be shira no kose man so dae man mbom pa yesi di beto me obi mami obi nana obi nua ba obi ba na wo ti wo kasa asemu ya ana me kasa asemu wo kan me nipa na me fama no kasa mo na ansa the carbon is etinachi I be dinachi me dey men carbon in nachi.
Where is Hawa Koomson Ablekuma? What is your take on this particular issue? How you Penyah Block Media?